Hello everyone. I truly hope you're all having a fantastic day. Welcome back to my channel. Craft and Fix, your daily source for incredibly helpful tips and creative ideas. Today, I'm going to show you a super cool trick. Most people don't know this secret. It's an easy hack, and it's a useful repair every single home needs. Please take your time watching the video, step by step. Don't worry, this process is simple, easy, and quite fun. The interactive outro. If you run into any challenges, please just drop a line in the comments. I am here to help you out. Where exactly are you tuning in from today? Leave a comment and let me know. It's absolutely great to connect with amazing people like you from all over the world. Give this idea a try and don't forget to share your experience with me. I'm so happy to be connecting with you all on my channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, please hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any of our helpful upcoming tips. Your support truly means a lot to me, and thank you so much for it. Which idea did you like best? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching the video. If you enjoyed these ideas, please hit like and subscribe to stay updated on more. We'll see you in the next one. As usual, I wish you blessed times